How's it going, guys? Hope you're having a great day. And we just got a boat, and we're gonna go fishing on the boat. We're gonna go out and try to catch muskie, pike, and what else? Muskie, pike, bass, and walleye. I'm bringing 2 rods. I'm getting my bait caster soon, guys. Stay tuned. Got the boat there. And now we're headed. I'll continue when we get to the boat launch. Okay, guys, we're at the boat launch. We got the boat, and now we're gonna go out and fish.
Give me that other life jacket.
Guys, that wraps up today's video, and we were fishing for a while. Keaton caught a bass. This river is pretty bad for fishing, and we only caught fell in the water, and it was hilarious.
Oh yeah, it was real hilarious.